Welcome to Mastering Java 21. In today's episode, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of setting up Java 21 on your Windows operating system. If you're using macOS or Linux, let me know in the comments and we'll cover those in future videos. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have Java 21 installed and ready to use. Open your preferred browser and search for the official Oracle website as demonstrated in the video. Once on the Oracle site, navigate to the Java Downloads section. You'll be directed to the page with the latest Java versions. At the time of this recording, the most recent version is Java 23, but you'll also see Java 21 listed. Click on the Java 21 tab. Here, you'll find download options for Linux, macOS, and Windows. Choose the one that matches your operating system. In my case, I'll select Windows and then download the x64 installer. Under the Release Information section, you'll find detailed documentation on how to install Java 21. These instructions provide important information about the prerequisites and system requirements for different platforms. I recommend reviewing these pages to ensure your system meets the necessary requirements. Once the installer has been downloaded to your local machine, simply double-click the file to start the installation process. Follow the prompts in the installation wizard to complete the setup. After the installation is complete, you can verify its success by opening the command prompt and typing java-version. This command will display the installed Java version and the Java runtime environment build details. In my case, since I already have Java 23 installed, it shows Java 23. For you, it should display Java 21 and the corresponding build information. Next, let's configure our favorite integrated development environment or IDE to work with Java 21. For this episode, I'll demonstrate using IntelliJ IDEA, but feel free to use Eclipse or VS Code. Open the IntelliJ IDE, then navigate to the File menu and select New Project. In the Project Setup window, ensure that Java is selected under the Language option. Enter the desired project name, and from the JDK drop-down, select version 21, which we recently installed. IntelliJ will automatically detect the available Java versions, so you should see JDK 21 listed. Once the project name and JDK version are set, click Finish to complete the process. Your new project will be successfully created. To verify the JDK configuration, right-click on the project and select Project Settings. In the Platform Settings section, you will find the configured JDK version. Ensure that the correct JDK, such as JDK 21, is selected. You can visually confirm this on the screen under the JDK settings for the project. That's it. You are ready to go for Play with Code. Before we wrap up, let's take a look at some toolchain improvements. Java 21 comes with improvements to the Java toolchain. Let's briefly cover some of the key changes in Java compiler. 1. New compiler flags that make debugging easier. 2. Faster compilation times, especially for larger projects. And that's it for today's episode. You've successfully installed Java 21 and configured your development environment. In the next episode, we'll explore some exciting new features in Java 21, such as pattern matching and record patterns. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with any questions.